is me, and you're watching Hungry Tigers, and it's me, yeah. Today I'm looking so much different. Today I'm gonna show you my room. What's my room like? So let's go. Let's get started. So we're moving. We're heading. Is daddy ass? So dirty. Can you see the scene? I think probably not. Let me close my door. Right. So this is my room. I think you have seen it. Now I'm gonna show you my posters and what's inside my closet. What's inside my makeup kit. Okay, so be right here. So this is my bed. I just woke up and it's like so dirty. Nice. Not that much bad. No, don't look at it here. It's like okay. You know who she is? Who she is? Taylor Swift. Like boom. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Yeah, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. I'm Shraddha Kapoor. I don't know who's this, but I want to be like her. Messi. 2025. I have this sign also. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous, okay? This is like broken fader. Messi. Stay strong. It's like Wolf. And Taylor Swift. Tigers. And here's something. So here's a chair. See it like this, yeah? So yeah. I think you have seen them. Yeah. Now, what's inside my closet? Dressing tables, all things you're gonna look at, okay? So yeah, closet. This is a pen. My mini skirt. Right. And Barcelona. It's all dirty. Did you enjoy it? Yeah? It's time for my makeup set now. So here you go. Take it out. Yeah. Can you see my tattoo over here? Yeah? Good. Some of them are over there. There's a lipstick, chipstick. It's not focusing. Why? There's like concealer, eyeshadow, some ribbons. When I see my nails, they're long. They are long. This one is also very long. Yeah. It is of gold, so do not even try to look at it. Sunglasses. What we say this? I don't know. I don't remember that. This is a razor. Some clip. please comment what we say this. I forgot his name. I know it's from C, but I forgot what to say to this. You see like this. I cannot deal with this now. Let me put this. I put all over there. So now like I'm closing it. Hope you enjoy my video. If you do enjoy my video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel Hungry Tiger. I will be uploading daily uploads, and there are many interesting subjects like gaming, all things over here. It's mixed channel. So I won't eat you. I'm not that much hungry, okay? I won't eat you. So yeah, hit the like button if you like them. And comment me what that name is from C, I know. So yeah, bye. I love you guys. Bye bye.